In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to define a workflow in Monday.com. We'll walk through creating a board and setting up the automation that turns your process into a smooth, repeatable flow. Start on your Monday.com home. On the left sidebar, look for the plus icon next to your workspace. This is where you add something new. Choose Board, since your workflow will live on a board that organizes items, owners, and statuses in one place. Give your board a clear, action-oriented name so everyone understands its purpose at a glance. Next, set the privacy that fits your situation. Pick the option that matches who needs access, keeping sensitive work limited to the right people. You'll also be prompted to select what you're managing on this board. Think of this like labeling whether it's projects, tasks, or another area of work. Then create the board to continue. Before we automate anything, let's define what a workflow is here. In Monday.com, a workflow is simply how your work moves from start to finish, the sequence of steps, the owner's responsible, and the signals that tell everyone what happens next. With that in mind, open the Automate button in the top right of your board. You'll land in the Automation Center where you can browse categories. These categories group common use cases like updating a status, notifying someone, or moving items across groups. You have two ways to build. Create from scratch, where you pick a trigger and an action piece by piece, or use a template for a pre-built rule. If you want a head start, click Use Template and choose one that mirrors your process. If you prefer full control, choose the option to create from scratch. Now, identify the steps in your process. Think through how an item begins, how it gets worked on, and how it's completed. Map the key handoffs and decision points. Who needs to be notified, when a status should change, and what conditions should move an item forward. Keep names and statuses simple and consistent so the board stays readable. If your process has phases, make sure your statuses reflect those phases in a logical order. Remember, even one well-chosen automation can eliminate manual follow-ups and make ownership crystal clear. When your rule matches the way your team actually works, click Create Automation to turn it on. From here, your board will start doing the heavy lifting, updating statuses, notifying teammates, and moving items as progress is made. That's your workflow, defined and running inside Monday.com.